Hey everyone, a new Homebrew app is here for our PlayStation portable systems. It's called Retroshell and it lets you easily emulate Game Boy games and a lot more systems directly on your PSP. But first, let's install it on my PSP Go, and I'll also show you how to add your game ROMs onto it along with all their cover arts. First, you'll head over to this Github repository and I'm going to download the latest release. The developer has included installation instructions in the archive, so if you prefer to follow that, you can just skip this section entirely. In the archive, let's go into PSP/game and copy this Retroshell folder and paste it into the same directory on my PSP. Now back into the archive, we have another Retroshell folder. This should go into the PSP's root directory. Like so. We're also going to make a new folder in the root directory and name it as ROMs. This will be the folder that stores the game ROMs and cover arts. Let's unplug now and test out the app. Now let's try to launch this game. Now I don't know what exactly was going wrong in here, but Retroshell was stuck at a 10 FPS frame rate. I'm not sure why. I did check the CFW settings from the XMB, and I also checked the settings inside Retroshell, but the game was still choppy and lagging. I think it was because it was a ROM hack, and thankfully when I tried the normal version of Pokemon Fire Red, it ran just fine at around stable 30 FPS. Also, to open the in-game menu, it's L+R+Select. And that lets you load and save your states, take some screenshots if you want, and I hope the developer can add some rebounds to these buttons, because pressing L or R in Pokemon games at least opens the help section, and every time I want to open the in-game menu, the help section pops up first, and that basically doesn't let me take any screenshots other than of the help section. Overall, I would say it's a fun homebrew project. It's open source so people can add into it, and it can get better over time. I personally would like to have an option to increase the size of the system icons on the home page, and also maybe theme presets with various color schemes. Oh, and I almost forgot, I do want fast forward mode onto it, and maybe a button combination, same. Thanks for watching.